What's up, YouTube? Today we're going to show you how to transform your images to videos using Luma Dream Machine. This is a big trend right now where people will turn stunning photos or funny memes into video clips for social media. The best part is, it only takes a few minutes and is completely free. Let's get started. The first step is to go to lumalabs.ai, which will bring you to Luma Dream Machine. This is a powerful AI video generator that lets you convert text prompts and photos into videos. Just click Try Now in the top right corner and sign up with your Google account to get started. Luma has a generous free plan that gives you 30 video generations per month, but you can always explore their paid plans if you're interested in creating more. Here I have a high-res photo that I can simply drag into Luma. I have the option to type in a text prompt for a more detailed description, but first, I just want to see how Luma animates the image without any guidance. Once I hit enter, it'll take the AI a few minutes to generate the video, and once it's ready, it'll be available at the bottom to download. Here's the before and after. I'm actually impressed with how Luma Dream Machine was able to bring this photo to life without any prompts or descriptions. But as you can see, there are some irregularities in the video. Here are some other examples of videos created from high-res photos that turned out really well. Next, let's try another example where we use an old-school black and white photo and try to bring it back to life through video. I'll do the same thing and just drag the image file into Luma, and I'll hit enter without typing in any text prompts. You also have the option to loop the video if you choose. Once again, there are a few minor glitches with the way the subjects move, but for the most part, it's a really cool way to restore old photos and give them life through video. Now, let's try to animate a static image meme. I'll drag in the image file, and this time I'll actually type in a prompt to give Luma some guidance on how I want the video to turn out. Here's the results, and it actually looks pretty darn good. Keep in mind that you may need to try a few different prompts or memes to get ideal results, but there's clearly potential here, especially since Dream Machine will continue to improve over time. Well, that wraps up today's video. If you get a chance to try Luma Dream Machine, let us know how it went in the comments. And as always, remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.